Hello guys, this is Somraj and you are watching Coding Pillow, and today in this video we are going to set up our front end. So let's get started with this video. So guys, we are in our project folder, and first of all let me create the React app. So I am going to use npx for the React command, and for the create React app I am going to use the name client. So this will create a client folder in our project. So as you can see, we have created our React app client here, and now we need to just install a Date dependency so that we can run our server and the front end app together. So I have installed concurrently. Now I am going to add some scripts so that I can run. So you can see that concurrently is installed. Now I am going to add some scripts. I am just copy pasting. So this script is for client so that it can start, and then we are creating another script called dev, and it will just use the concurrently to run our server and the client together. So hope you understand this, and now let's move on. So now guys, we are going to install some packages in the client folder, that is our React app. So let me first go to the client folder. So we are in the client folder, and now we will have to install for the UI part. We are going to use Bootstrap for the UI part. So I am going to install Bootstrap, and also I am going to install a React step so that it becomes easier and we don't have to waste time on the UI part. Now for the next one, we are going to install React Router DOM. Now in our app, we are going to handle HTTP request and responses. So for that, we are going to install Axios. So after installing Axios, we are going to install our Redux as we are going to manage our global state in this app. So npm install, and then so first we are going to install Redux and then React Redux so that we can bind our app with the Redux, and then we are going to also install a Redux development extension. This is a package and I will explain this later. And for the middleware purpose, we are going to install Redux Thunk. So now we have to install one extension in our browser. So hi guys, we are in the browser, and for the Redux Dev Tools, you have to search for it, Redux Dev Tools extension. And then you will see a bunch of results for the Mozilla, for the Chrome, and as I am using a Chromium based browser, so I am going to use the Chrome. And I have already installed it, that's why you are seeing this. And in your case, if you haven't installed this, you will see a install button and you have to install this. So that is it guys. So this was all about the front end part, and in the next video we are going to start for the development of our front end. And if you have any queries, you can post in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye.